Welcome back to Teach Nepal. Today I am going to present you a short video on course overview of grade 11 compulsory English, the new course that is going to be implemented from 2077 this year for the new batch. So in this video I'll be presenting you the brief things about the lessons and about the overall course overview. So please, I'd like to request you to subscribe my channel for getting other new videos about grade 11 English. The code for compulsory English is 003 for grade 11, and for grade 12 it is about to be implemented next year, that is 004. And annual working credit hour is 4, and annual working hour is 128 hours for English, compulsory English. And regarding the course, regarding the content, there are two parts in compulsory English. Compulsory English ma duita part cha. Part 1 ma चाहिँ that's about language development छ, जसमा चाहिँ different textहरु compile गरिएको छ र चाहिँ they are followed by 4 language learning skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening also, and other aspects of language, vocabulary, then grammar, right? So altogether there are such 20 lessons, भनेको 20 युनिट्सहरु चाहिँ त्यहाँ दिएको छ पार्ट 1 मा अथवा सेक्सन 1 भनौं, राइट? सो जसलाई चाहिँ लिसनिङ, स्पिकिङ, रिडिङ, राइटिङ, ग्रामर, vocabulary जस्ता कुराहरुले चाहिँ फलो गरेको छ र all these lessons are authentic lessons हरु, authentic टेक्स्टहरु चाहिँ राखिएको छ र त्यसको एक्सरसाइजहरु दिएको छ, just like grade 10 English. And similarly, talking about part 2, it's about the compilation of different stories, poems, essays, and one-act plays. There are altogether 4 units. In unit 1 there are short stories, in unit 2 there are poems, and in unit 3 there are essays, and in unit 4 there are one-act plays. Altogether 7, 5, 12, 5, 17, 3, 20. Altogether 20 lessons have been included on the literature part. So here no language skills have been given, or students do not have to deal with grammar, they do not have to deal with writing and other things, but they just need to read the text and comprehend it and do the question answers given after the text at the end of every text. So in part 2 that is a literary study that includes short stories, poems, essay, and one-act play, as I just told you. Now let us see what kind of writing tasks they have been included in the curriculum of grade 11. So grade 12 we'll be talking about that next year. Grade 11 paragraphs, personal letters, essays, news stories, formal reports based on the projects, narrative writings, descriptions, summaries, character sketch, film review, book review, that is press release, and all the different writings they have been included in grade 11 English this year. And regarding language functions, there are altogether 21 language functions which are to be included in, these language functions they have been included in part 1, section 1 of the compulsory English. Similarly, talking about grammar, adverbs and adjectives and adverbs, concord, subject verb agreement, prepositions, moral auxiliaries, tense and aspects, infinitives, that is verb 1, and gerunds, conjunctions, relative clause, voice, reported speech. These are the things to be included, they have been included in the book there. And so let's talk about evaluation. कसरी इभ्यालुएसन हुन्छ भन्दा, इन्टरनल इभ्यालुएसन भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ पुरै 100% नै एक्सटर्नल इभ्यालुएसन हुन्थ्यो. कुनै प्र्याक्टिकल सब्जेक्टको बाहिर सबैको 100% नै रिटन एक्जामिनेसन समेटिक एक्जाम मात्र हुन्थ्यो, निरयात्मक एक्जाम मात्रै हुन्थ्यो. बट दिस इयर देयर इज इन्टरनल इभ्यालुएसन अफ there is first external evaluation of 75 marks and internal evaluation of 25 marks. So external evaluation: reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary. Reading will include 35 marks, writing will include 25 marks, grammar 10 marks, and vocabulary 5 marks in the board exam or in the annual exam, or that is summative exam. And let's talk about internal exam, that is to be asked for 25 marks. So this will be maintained according to the participation of the students, listening test, speaking test, and score from terminal exams. So 3 marks for participation, listening test 6 marks, speaking test 10 marks, and score from terminal exams 6 marks. And the detailed description is given here about the internal assessment. Participation, that means that covers attendance, participation in classroom activities, performance in the class. Then listen text, the teacher will design the listening test, and on the basis of that the student will be assessed or they will be evaluated. And regarding the speaking evaluation also, the detailed way of evaluating the speaking test is given here. So in this way, so this is just the course overview. Now I'll be presenting the lessons of grade 11 in my coming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting the ideas about all the new videos of grade 11 English. Thank you.